So what is Tableau? As you know, Tableau is a data visualization tool. What do you mean by data visualization? You know what do you mean by data? Data is something when you are going to supermarket, you are swiping the credit card, you are paying the amounts, you are getting the products, and then you are going to home. You got your product, you paid the money, but during this transition time, you have left your data behind the scene. You have given some sort of clue to customer, clue to your shopkeeper, or to clue to some different area of people, saying that in this between age of entry, people will enter into so and so time into superstore, then they will purchase so and so type of products in so and so month, how much money they will spend, in which category of products they will purchase, what is the area of interest, why any of the products which he shown the interest but he has not purchased, every month which product he is purchasing. So this type of lot many different information you are leaving behind the scene when you are going out of your superstore. Okay, so this type of information is about shop. When you are going over the vehicle and when there is a signals and you are at what speed you are giving or who is overtaking, this type of lot of information collection is happening today in the world. When you are going to office, you are swiping the card and then you are coming in and out. All these details are captured. How much time you are in ODC, how many times you are outside ODC, how many times you are gone out of the campus. So lot many different data informations are collecting behind the scene. But what is the use of such data? Are they giving any meaningful information? That's where the data visualization comes into picture. So whatever the data is there, take example of simple data. A 10 students class is there, and where you are collecting the each student marks. Finding top first student or top second student or top 10 student is very easy when it is coming to point of 10 students. But what if the same data I want to analyze over university? A big college is there, a big university is there, where millions of students are there, thousands of students are there, and I want to understand who is topper, who in which category he is topper, first rank, bottom rank, average number of people joined, their average age, how many applications came, how many applications going out, how many applications rejected. So lot many different type of these questions will be there, which are coming towards a university, I can call. That means when the small data is there, analyzing a data in tabular format is easy, where we used to use Excel nearly 15 years back or 10 years back. Excel type of maybe table you are drawing in the notebook and you are analyzing the data. But when it is coming day by day, data is growing, managing the data with simple tabular format is not enough. That's where the data visualization comes into picture. Data visualization tells converting your data into visual format. That means I can show your data in the format of bar chart, line chart, pie chart, all these things. And second question comes, yeah, you have solved my problem of seeing a data, a big lot of data into graphical represents. It's more easy, you said. That's very fine. But what about the data sources? Today, data is not stored in one way. One shopkeeper is storing the data in Excel, another is storing in Oracle, another may be storing in MySQL. So different places, different data storage is happening. That means connecting and collecting with the data is always challenge, and that's what the challenges has been solved by Tableau. Tableau has solved how to connect to data sources in a world with from different data sources, and Tableau has made you to create a visualizations with no coding or with minimal coding. Simply click and you are getting a graph. So I will show the demo how to create a graph and all with a minimal clicks. So what exactly we understood? Tableau takes the data from different sources and it will give visualization. So what is happening here in the chart, you can see here, different type of files we are getting, different data we are extracting, then we are doing a transformation, then you are loading into data sources. That's what traditional things. Now coming to the point, as you asked both of you the question, main question is, will the Tableau help me to grow in my career, right? Our first and most important thing is the Tableau helping me to grow into career? What my question is, will the Tableau will help me to grow into career? Before something help you to grow into career, what I call is, so very simple and straightforward question is, whatever technology I need to learn today, will it help me to grow into my career? First basic question. Second question is, how old is technology? And third question is, how many people in this world are using this technology? If people are not using that technology, and the technology may be very awesome, excellent, like a rocket science, but no one is using, then it is not helpful to grow in career. That means what? Industry should accept the tool. Industry should enjoy the flavor of the tool. That means if you now you want to analyze whether the Tableau has been grown up since 2012, how the Tableau is growing, let's understand it. When the Tableau 2012, I'm from 2012 to 2017, I'm showing the chart. When the 2012, the Tableau has hit into market, it was in the challenges quadrant. What exactly it is? There is one survey called as Gartner. Gartner survey will talk about, Gartner survey tells what are the tools, which analytical tools are utilizing in a market, and how far the customers are satisfied, or the customers are getting value add to their business. Is the tool is value adding to their business? If yes, then how it is value adding and what is their demand? That's what Gartner will do the survey, and out of the survey they will find out and they will tell that who is the leader in the technology. So if you can see here, quadrant, the survey has been divided into 4 quadrants. First quadrant is visionaries. Visionaries is very nice starters. Then second quadrant is nice players. That means they have startup and they are enjoying in the market. That means they are existing in the market. Third is challengers. Challengers are something out of this existing tool. These are the little topmost tools. This means they are fighting each other to come into first position. And the leaders are something which are leading the technology in the industry. So if you see in 2012, the leaders are, these are the different leaders: Informatica, Oracle, MicroStrategy, Microsoft, ClickTech. All these technologies was there, but Tableau was not in that quadrant in 2012. When you are going to 2013, you are seeing here Tableau started entering in the world of challengers. From leaders, from challengers to leaders, it has got entered. Now you can see 2013 it started establishing itself. When you're going to 2014, you are seeing in 2014 Tableau was the topmost leader in the market. 2015 also Tableau was the topmost leader in the market. 2016 and 2017, if you compare, 2016 topmost again and 2017 topmost again. So that means when I see last 5 years, Tableau is leading in the market of data visualization. Since last 5 years, people started exploring the Tableau just for the visualization, but now the more extra advantages started coming to Tableau because of the data science in the world. People started visualizing more in depth, and that's where the Tableau is giving a lot of different features for data visualization. So you can see Tableau is a leader in the technology. Because Tableau is leader in the technology and it is growing itself. So whatever the tool you are picking to learn yourself, definitely this tool will help you to grow in your career. That's what this screenshot says to you. Definitely whatever the decision you have taken to learn the new technology that is Tableau, it is going to help you. So now let me talk into some basic things now. So your first answer got, and I hope that why I have to learn technology, Tableau, and where exactly this tool is standing and how exactly people are getting more jobs. Now let's go to the second question. Do I need any prerequisite technologies? No, I said. Because Tableau can connect data from live data also and extract data. That means Tableau itself has a lot of capabilities to connect with the data sources. So what are the different components in Tableau? We have Tableau Desktop, Tableau Server, and Tableau Public. So these are different components: Tableau Desktop, Tableau Server, Tableau Online, Tableau Reader, Tableau Public. So what exactly these individual tools will do, and where exactly as a developer you should focus? Tableau Desktop is a main software which you have to focus, because as a developer your role is here, Tableau Desktop. So Tableau Desktop talks about what? It teaches you how to create a visualization, how to connect with different data sources, how to convert data into visualization. So all these things will be taken care by Tableau Desktop. So as a developer, your role is, yeah please.
Sir, Shashank here.
Yeah, Shashank.
So one small doubt, like you said, like we need to focus on Tableau Desktop.
Yeah.
Yeah. So as you said, like it's a develop. Again, you said like the roles in this software will be saying as a developer or like analyst part, like data analyst or like analyst, or will be treated as developers again.
See, that's based on company to company what the terminology is calling. Because
job designation and
people
role
have
designation.
not people have not started calling like data analyst word. Some companies are calling data analyst, and some companies are calling like we are hiring a developer, because they are developing the dashboard, they are developing a visualization, they are developing as a some sort of reports, right? That's the
Okay.
reason few people are calling as a developer. But you are playing a data analyst role there because you are analyzing a data. And some in some companies they are calling data scientist also. Okay, so whatever the role you are calling there, your main job is playing with this tool Tableau Desktop, where you are creating a visualization. What are the different softwares, different flavors of Tableau Desktop is available? We have Windows flavor and we have Apple. So these two type of OSs are right now supporting by Tableau. Now let's come to the point. When Tableau is using by data analyst to visualize the data, then where exactly this visualization report or visualization dashboard I want to share? You as a data analyst guy, you analyze the data, you have created in bar chart different storylines and all, and then you want to present to your manager. Some manager is sitting somewhere in the world and he doesn't have Tableau Desktop in his machine. So can he open the file? Obviously, Tableau will create a file which is with some special extension. So any file from a bank you are getting as a bank statement, can you open that bank statement without having a PDF? If that statement is in PDF format, can you open it directly without having Acrobat Reader? No, right? A PDF file cannot be opened directly if you don't have PDF reader. Same way, Tableau Desktop application also cannot open into another machine if it doesn't have some reading capability software. That's where the Tableau Reader comes into picture. Tableau Reader is a free software, where Tableau Desktop is a licensed version. That means you have to purchase to use Tableau Desktop. Okay, but as a student, you don't need to invest 1 rupee also, because Tableau has given an official way to get a 1 year of key. At 1 year of license, you can get free of cost from Tableau when you register yourself as a student. So how and all I will teach you everything to get a free of cost license for 1 year. Many companies will teach you Tableau training. They will tell that you have to install virtual machine, and then you have to install, and Tableau is a 15 days trial, and after 15 days again uninstall and install. All these blah blah things are there, but it is not at all true. You can get complete 1 year license free of cost if you follow my steps. Okay, that's about the Tableau Desktop, and that's about Tableau Reader. Let's come to the Tableau Server. What is the role of Tableau Server? Now you are at Hyderabad. You are developing. You are as an analyst. You have developed one visualization, and you want to share to your team, which is available in China, US, Japan, different regions. And now these people want to analyze your dashboard. How to analyze the dashboard? First of all, how you will send? If it is 3 people, maybe I will send an email or something. If the email is not supporting, maybe I will share in Google Drive or something. That means I'm sharing only for people. But what is the guarantee that I'm sharing in the proper way and all? Instead of that, why can't we host? Anytime Amazon or Google or Facebook, does they share a code to you to access the application? No. Simply you are clicking, you are searching over the browser, you are typing the URL and you are getting the application. Why can't we do the same thing in the Tableau also? That's where the solution came as Tableau Server. What you are doing here, Tableau Desktop, whatever you have developed, you are hosting into Tableau Server. That means you are placing into server, and any people in the world who have a permission to access this server, he can access the application with the help of browsers. You are seeing here different browser icons are available. So you can access from the browser Tableau Desktop application. Next thing is, but the thing is, you have to invest money here, because Tableau server is not free of cost. So you have to pay the money and to get the server. And for the student, they will not give the server free of cost. So only for students, they are giving Tableau Desktop. For server, you have to pay the money. That means, anyway, it's a company job, so you need not to worry about Tableau server. Next thing is about Tableau Online. What is Tableau Online? Tableau Online is a cloud solution. You are seeing here cloud icon is there, some cloud symbol. Tableau is a Tableau Desktop version, has been hosted on Tableau Cloud, so that you need not to install anything Tableau, that you can create from Tableau Online and you can share to your team. Same way we have a Tableau Public. Tableau Public is also like an online. You can create and share. The only thing is, here there is no security and it's a free of cost. whereas Tableau Online is secure and you can share within an organization. So that's about cloud solution. So these are the different components available in the Tableau. Any questions here?
So in the organization, so people generally use all these things like desktop, reader, and server thing, or
No,
only
no,
they focus on desktop.
no. As a developer, as an analyst, as a data scientist, you have to just focus on the Tableau desktop.
Okay, okay.
You are rolling up.
So then when all these things come into picture, so like server, reader, and the
Yeah, as I said you, PDF document a bank has created and they have sent an email to you. Your credit card statement came to your email. When you want
right.
to open, can you open directly bank
No, we
statement?
need to have that, flash player in our
Adobe Reader or some software.
software installed in our system.
Same way, the desktop application, if you share to your friend or your colleague or your manager, and if you don't have Tableau desktop is a paid version, right? You have to pay the money. So why he
Right.
will pay the money? So simply to open that, I should have a free of cost software, right? That's where Tableau Reader came, like Adobe Reader.
Okay.
Got it? Okay, that is a version of Tableau Reader. What is a cloud then? Many people these days, what they are doing is, why I have to install? Suppose I want the software for 6 months. To 6 months, this Tableau will tell you purchase for 1 year. For 1 year, why I have to purchase 1 year when I want to use only for 1 month or 2 months? So in that case, don't pay 1 year solution. Just go to Tableau Online and purchase 1 year, 1 month or 2 months license over the cloud solution. That means you need not to install anywhere. I need not to carry my laptop everywhere. I directly open the browser and I can do the activities online. So that's what the Tableau Cloud Online solution came. Clear?
Right.
Okay. Coming to the server, Amazon is there, Facebook is there, all these sites. Did you get the source code for them? No. Simply we will type URL and you will get the access the site. Same way, why can't we Tableau desktop also just open the browser and we access? That's where the Tableau server comes into picture. Perfect. So these are about the different components. So as I said, Tableau desktop, Tableau server, Tableau reader, all the points I have explained. What is Tableau public, Tableau online, desktop, server? So now let's come to the point. I understood why I need to learn. I understood there is no need of technology, any prerequisite. I can directly start my career. These all are good. Now, to start up, do I need to have a laptop or desktop? If yes, what is the hardware configuration we require? So this is whatever the minimum configuration you have in your machine, that's enough to start up the Tableau. That's what we call. So there is no specific hardware requirement. It's minimal 2 GB RAM, and nowadays everywhere you are getting 32-bit OS. So 32-bit or 64-bit is OS is enough. So what exactly Tableau, how exactly Tableau works? It will connect to data source, it will analyze, and then it will convert the data into data visualization, and you can share to your team or team members. So how exactly see? A Tableau analyst, a Tableau developer, a Tableau scientist is sitting here and he is working with Tableau desktop. Once he creates a data visualization, to create a data visualization, what he need? He need a data. So he will get the data from these are the different sources from the world. He is getting the data from different sources, and then he will creating a bar chart, line chart, and then if you want, he can share to your friends, colleagues, managers, or someone directly one way, or converting it to PDF, or converting it to Excel, or converting into image. Directly he is sharing. Other way is what? Whatever desktop he have got, he can host over the server. So here Tableau server. That means the end users simply they will use the browsers and they will access the application with the help of either mobile, either web. So this is the Tableau architecture. So what is the beauty of Tableau? You develop the application in Tableau desktop, and people around the world can access with the help of tablet, with the help of mobile, with the help of browser, with the help of any different ways they can access. Clear? Any questions over here?
No.
Okay, thank you. So what are the, whenever you connect with data, data has been given dimensions and measures. What is dimension? A discrete, and what is measure means numeric data. I will go into detail. Don't get confused because by seeing these terms. What are the different data types in the you see in the world? Basically, data contains like text data, number data, date time data, Boolean true or false data, and geographic data. So these are the different data in Tableau also. So you can see different visuals, line chart, bar chart, map chart, bubble, all these charts we can develop into Tableau. Okay. So let me show you one simple example. Instead of taking a random thoughts, let's take in a scenario. So that I will answer all your questions. Let's take one data has came to me that is called as Intel Superstore. Okay. So Intel shop is there where the supermarket is there where they are selling the products. Let's take a business case and let's try to solve the problem, and then you will realize how far it is connected to your example. So we know today in the world everywhere the online marketing is going on, online stores are there, Flipkart, eBay, Amazon. So let's consider we have somewhere superstore, and this superstore is selling the products. So they got some order from some customer has came into supermarket and he has ordered. When he ordered, he may order one item or he may order in the same order ID multiple items, correct? So if you take the scenario 88525 only one item has been ordered, 8852 only one item has been ordered, but if you consider here yellow highlighted item, there are 3 products he has ordered. 3 order items are there with the same order ID. What are the 3 items? If you see here data, the product name is Xerox, AMC and V70. Okay, so these are the products he has ordered. From which category and which subcategory? First 2 products has came from office supplies, and second product has came from technology. In the office supplies category, in which subcategory this product has? These are the subcategories. What are the different type of containers has been used? Small packing and small box. Now you can ask when they have ordered, how they want the delivery of product. They want a delivery of product by shipping mode, whether express air, regular air or express air. Who is the customer? His customer name. What is his ID? How much shipping cost he has spent? What is the unit cost? So all this blah blah data capturing is happening here. From which region he belongs to, from which country, which city, what is the postal code, how much profit he done, how much sales he has done. So all these details are there. Now I want to analyze this data. Okay. So if you see these data in front of you, how many records are there in this Excel? If you see, it contains almost 10,000 records are there, right? 9,427. Almost 10,000 records are there, and now I am asking the question. These are the different states are there, different regions are there, different cities are there. In which city higher sales, in which city lower sales? That means what I have to do? I have to sort all this data based on region, then I have to aggregate all the sales in this region, and then I have to tell which city or which state or which country or which product has higher sales and lower sales, right? So a lot of analyzing you want to do on this Excel because there are 10,000 records. So how to do analyzing? Let's see it. So first what I'm doing? Launching the Tableau. So let's launch the Tableau. How to launch the Tableau? Simply go to Start and open the Tableau. Click on Start and click on Tableau. So you can see here. Yeah, please.
Sir, can you share this Tableau download link with us, please?
Yeah, sure, definitely. Everything I will share.
Yeah.
Not only Tableau download link. If you go officially, what the problem comes and what is the indirect way to get 1 year. Also, that also I will tell you. Okay.
Sure.
So let's connect here. Connect with Excel. First step is getting a data. As you said, first is getting a data from somewhere, right? So let us explore the data from Excel. Whatever the Excel is there, the Excel is available in this path. I want to analyze the data. So what I have to do? I have to connect to Excel. Tableau supports many type of connections. You can connect with Excel, Access, Tableau, SQL Server data, Oracle data, MySQL data. Not only these data, Amazon data, or you can connect with Google data, you can connect with Big Data, you can connect with Terra data. Lot many different sources in the world that Tableau is supporting today. So let's
can this support also the data which is maintained, data which is capturing on the manually on the Excel dump, and it's a
Yeah,
huge data.
yeah.
Statistics problem.
That's what I'm trying to show you here, right? It is a huge data. 10,000 records are there, which is manually entered data here.
Okay.
This data has been entered. Nearly 10,000 records are there. See, if it is a real shop is there, their software will be there. Oracle or SQL Server, there all the records will be there. If it is small shop, they will enter manually. Okay. So let me start exploring. Connect with Excel. Click on Excel. Step by step. Click on Excel. It will give a pop-up. So let's wait for pop-up. And then map which table you want to analyze. I want to analyze my Excel file. What is the file name? Intel Superstore. Select that file and click OK. Open. It will take couple of minutes or couple of seconds, I will got not minutes, to extract the data, all the 10,000 records, and it will try to show you how many sheets are in this Excel. So in this Excel can contain multiple sheets, right? So each sheet will be shown here. If you see here, our Excel, whatever we connected here, that is Intel Superstore Excel, you are seeing here that Excel contains different sheets. Order sheet, all the order details, return sheet and user sheet. What return sheet, what user sheet, all these things I will explain now first. So whenever you are giving an order, all the orders will be collected in orders tab. But when you are going to their home to deliver, few products or few orders may not be delivered successfully. That means because of door lock or something else, right? Could be possible, right? So these are the orders not accepted or maybe failed or delivery and all. And each region will have managers. Central region, one manager, eastern region, southern region, western region. So all these details are in front of you. Now I want to analyze the details. So what I have to do? Take the orders from here. Okay, sorry. Take the orders, select the orders from here and drag and drop simply here. That means what I'm going to do? Simply select the orders here and drag and drop somewhere here. Once you drag and drop, what is going to happen is internally it is connecting to Excel and it is trying to extract the data and then it will show the data somewhere here. Let's see. It is trying to extract, loading, and now it has shown row ID, priority, discount, unit price, shipping cost. So all this data was available in your Excel, right? So this data has came in front of you. Now let's understand few more points. What is this special symbols? Hash, ABC. There are again couple of things are there, like let me show you few other symbols. You are seeing here globe icon, calendar, hash. What exactly? If you remember in the presentation I was showing, few are called as var characters, few are numbers.
These are all data types, I guess.
Absolutely. These are the data types. These are the different type of data are available supported by Tableau. Now let's start analyzing this data. How to analyze this data? Simply click over the sheet 1. If you click on the sheet 1, the data has been divided into two categories: dimensions and measures. Measures are something which is numbers and dimensions are something which is categorical data. So let us show me something. Now example. Let us, and here you are seeing rows, here you are seeing columns. Imagine like this is a rows. These are the different rows. Okay. So these are the different rows and these are the different columns. If you drop something here, it will be part of your column header. If you drop here, it will be part of your rows. Okay. So let me start doing. I want to analyze. First question is, can you show me each region what are the different sales? Each region or each region, drag and drop region, you are seeing, simply drag and drop the region in rows, region wise. Sales I want to see, simply select the sales and place here region wise sales. See, visually it has converted. Now can you tell me what central region contains the sales? Without going mouse or if I go, I will show the tooltip, but if I don't go mouse or, I'm not seeing tooltip. So some tooltip supposed to come. Simply click on this T. That means each bar what is a number it is showing. Now I don't want here the bars. I want to swap the way it look and feel. Simply click on swap. Look and feel has got converted. central region, this much eastern region, this much southern region. Now next I want to show the title. Simply click here and tell the title, region wise sales. Okay. So in this way I want to make bold, italic, all these things, blah blah things, I can do it. Simply select here, bold, change the size, change the color, all these things you can play with that. So you are seeing here region wise sales. Now what you want to, now I want to see the topmost sales. Simply sort it. See, this is the topmost sales. You can answer, how many seconds you have taken to answer the same thing. If you want to understand in Excel, you have to do sorting and all these things, right? Now I want to see not region wise sales, region wise. Now you are seeing region wise sales. Now I want to see state wise sales. Simply drag and drop the state. Because it is a geographical data, globe symbol, it is automatically going to convert a geographical information. Edit location. These all locations are coming from US. So let me convert into US states. These all are from US states. So I will convert. Data is coming from United States. Now you see United States map is given. I want to see the sales. Simply drag and drop over the label. That means each state how much sales. I want to see different states, different colors. Simply select the state and drag and drop over the color. Each states different colors it is showing. I want to convert colors into field map. Simply select here the field map. It is converting into field map. I want to see the sales. Sales is here. You are seeing? You are making sense out of this. Now you see each state how much sales and all. So it is very easy. If you want to analyze where is higher sales and where is lower sales. So what you have to do? Sales you have taken over the map. I want to just change it. Yeah, please.
Sorry to interrupt you. Just one question came into my mind. So we are working on the data with about 10,000 data. So we at times have seen that we a lot of people, a lot of department worked on the data. 1 lakh data, 2 lakh data. They kept that data in the what do you say, that PDF or notepad file, text file basically. Then they kept their data in text file because of the large or high data range they have. For example, 1 lakh data and all. So does this tool support that text file also when it comes to data import or insert in this tool?
Yes. There are different data sources.
Because if I'm working on Oracle, I'm maintaining data Oracle, I will fetch the data from Oracle. It will only give me the text file if the data is 2 lakh, 3 lakh or 1 lakh. It will only give me the text file.
Yeah, and if you observe, maybe it is a comma separated, maybe with a particular
Yeah.
Right? Lot of different file formats. One customer, all these things we will take care all this year.
This tool will take care of all these things.
Yes. Obviously, it will support.
Now continue, please. I just have a doubt.
Okay. So now you can see the map is created. Now let me show you one more small example. I want to analyze in each category, subcategory, how many sales happen. Each category, subcategory, sales I am seeing. You see how easily I am able to see each category, subcategory. I want to see the charts. Yes, please.
Sir, when you are when you're dragging and dropping in this sheet, the dimensions you're putting in it in row and measures you're putting it in columns. Is that like that?
Not at all. Just swap it. Simple. See. No dimension, no measure, nothing. You put anywhere. What you want to see in row, what you want to see in column. That's it. My simple question is, I want to see suppose region I want to see in rows. I will place rows. No, I want to see in columns. I want to place in columns.
Okay.
I want to see the sales here. I will place sales here. I want to see the profit somewhere in the rows. Yes, I can place it. That's it. Simple. I don't mind where I am playing.
Okay.
Okay.
Right.
See.
So these are all the big things, I guess. I mean, to view the visualization.
Sorry, can you come again?
So these all things, what are you showing right now? These are all the basic concepts, I guess, right? Like the basic.
See, now, these are the different visualizations we will cover. When you go in detail, definitely different type of things we are going to see. So what are the contents we are going to cover in this training means? Already maybe training content has been shared to you. So let me show you the topics what we are covering here.
Yeah, and one more thing, as you're working in a real time, like you're in a company, so most of the time, the people who work on Tableau, they work on click and drag and drop thing, or like they will do some SQL coding and get the data in this. We have that option also, right?
Oh no. See, we are getting a data from where? We are getting data from where? Excel. Now
Excel.
next time suppose I want to get a data from Oracle or maybe SQL Server. Let's take SQL Server. So
No,
simply what
that's fine,
yeah.
sir. This thing only, instead of this drag and drop thing. So sometimes people ask, I mean, in companies, they ask us to get these data through coding, write a SQL code and all.
See,
Will that happen?
no one will ask you write a SQL code or something. Very simple thing. See, if I connect to SQL will list out all the tables: orders table, return table, user table. Suppose I want to do a join in SQL. So how I will do this? I will write left join, inner join, right join. Here I need not to do. See, automatically it has created join, inner join of orders and returns. Are you seeing here?
Okay.
Simply drag and drop. It will take care of inner join of 3 tables also. See, I have dragged the third table. Inner join of 3 tables it has done. No, I don't want inner join. I want left join. Simply I will click left join. I am not writing single line of code. Still you want to write a code? Yes. If you want to write some.
What is this meaning of inner left and right join, sir?
Yeah, I will cover what do you left join. There is a particular session there where we will talk left join, right join, outer join, inner join. So let me just briefly introduce about you. Suppose from left side also people are satisfying condition. All the people from Hyderabad and all the people of Mumbai. Take people of Mumbai and take people of Hyderabad, and you want to see the 30 age group people. That means all the 30 age group of people from Mumbai also and Hyderabad also. That is common age group, right? Intersection. So like this left join means what? Show me all the people who talks in Marathi from Hyderabad also and from Mumbai also. That means what? Hyderabad, all people, Mumbai, by default, all the people will talk Marathi. We consider because it's a Maharashtra. But a few people are there in Hyderabad who talk in Marathi. Common people, right? Anyway, I will go more detail on the inner join, left join and all these things because we have pure sessions for that.
Okay, fine.
So let me show you the content because I gone here to show you the content and then I can see this is the content for our training program. So first slide is about talking about my experiences and what are the different tools I used to provide training: MSBI, ClickView, Tableau, Power BI. Also I am providing a training. I'm in data side, data analytical side. So I will provide a training on all the data scientist tools: ClickView, Tableau, Power BI, MSBI. So data and visualization tools I will take care. So let's come into the point of your what are the different things we are covering in Tableau training. Pie chart, scatter chart, trend line, field map, pie symbols, bubble charts, all these different charts. Then how to join a data from different sources. Then how to do a metadata change, like maybe from data source your customer is calling employee name as e-name, but you don't want e-name to be called. You want to call as employee name. So how to change the column names, how to change the table names, how to change the hierarchy, data hierarchies, how to create sorting, dynamic sorting, different dual charts like profit and sales you want to compare side by side. So you can see histogram, motion chart, waterfall charts, what are the different type of connections in Tableau, live connection, data extractions, different data sources blending, what if analysis, parameters, calculated fields. So these are the advanced topics, calculated fields, all these in global filters. So all these are the advanced topics, storytelling, dashboards, so creating dashboards, worksheets, all these things we are going to cover in our complete 20 hours of training. This is. So we are going to cover in 20 hours or approximate 20 hours we are going to take. We are going to guide you how to prepare yourself for the interview and all, and during the topic discussions only I will tell you which area you have to stress more, how to present to the customer, like what type of business problems you have solved. So whenever we are talking in the training, we will do a lot of like business cases. We will not learn the technology. You will try to solve the problems, because as a business analyst, you should be in position to solve the problem. You should not talk the technology. You are not a technically selling something. You are trying to solve the problems. That's what data visualization comes into picture.